everyone, I'm your art teacher Kiran Raje. I'm back with new craft activity for you. Today we'll learn how to make wall hanging like this. This is looking beautiful. To decorate our home, we can make this type of wall hanging. So for this wall hanging, we require few things. Newspaper, color, brush, stick, Fevicol, scissors and colorful papers. That's it. Now keep it aside. First take newspaper and cut in this shape and make paper stick. Roll it on stick like this. And make paper stick like this. With the help of glue or Fevicol, you can paste it. Now take out stick. Same like this, we have to make total 8 sticks like this. Now take another paper and lay newspaper down to protect your work surface like this. Now take these sticks and we have to cut these sticks in equal size. Like this. Now take color and brush. You can use any color. And paint these sticks. Now let it be dry for some time. Same like this, we will color all 8 sticks. Now these sticks are done with coloring. Now keep these sticks, 4 sticks in equal distance like this. Now 4 sticks will keep in horizontal line again in equal distance like this. With the help of glue or Fevicol, we'll paste these sticks like this. Now let it be dry and keep it aside. Now we will take these 5 colorful sheets and take anything to draw circle on this. Now in this circle we'll draw ring. Like this. Now we have to cut first this circle, then we will cut this ring. Now we will cut this ring. Like this. Now take this corner and start folding in round and round. Like this. Till at the end point the circle we have to fold it. Now leave like this and make it little bit loose like this. You can see this is the flower. Now we have to take Fevicol and paste on this circle, this part, like this. Now this flower is ready. Same like this we'll make four more flowers. Now our all flowers are ready. Now take green sheet and cut into the shape of leaf. We need 8 or 9 leaves like this. And after cutting, we have to fold like this and slant zigzag line like this. Now open it. You can see the shape of leaf. So we'll cut more leaves. Now paste flower with leaf like this. All flowers we will paste with leaf. These all are done. We require few more leaves. Now keep it aside. Take this frame. Put Fevicol where we want to paste flower and leaves. Now paste flower like this. Different colored flowers will paste like this on this frame. Leaves also, we have extra leaves, so we will paste like this. Here also. And let it be dry for some time. Cut small flowers and we will paste small flowers on this frame. Different colored flowers. First we will put Fevicol, then we'll paste small flowers like this. If you have glitter sheet, you can cut glitter sheet flower and paste it like this. Decorate this frame with small flowers also. It will look more beautiful. Now our wall hanging is done. It's looking so beautiful. Now it's ready to decorate your room. You can decorate your home with this wall hanging. It's looking very beautiful. I hope you like this video. In next video, I will bring more creative learning for you. Bye bye.